everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. For today, I'm going to bring you guys along with me over to Shangri-la Mall here in the Philippines because I recently saw an announcement from them that they're having a sneaker fest. So several of their sneaker shops in the mall came together. They're on the ground floor and I want to let you guys see if it's worth dropping by or not this weekend. So let's go. By the way, if you haven't yet, please do show this channel some love by giving this video a thumbs up, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below which of the sneakers that I'm about to show you like the most. Okay, so let's get started. Now, to be honest, it's not a big selection. So they only have like a couple of stores participating. The only reseller there with hype kicks is Styled Sneakers and Such. It's Styled. That's the shop owned by Julius Babao and of course Tintin Bersola. And then we also have like a Fila setup there. We have a Resto Run setup as well. And we also have Sneak Peek as well with a couple of sneakers. So here are the good shoes that you might want to consider. Not a lot, so just manage your expectations. Start with the hype kicks first. They don't actually have a big discount. So most of the sneakers that are being sold for resale are still the current prices of what they're selling it over at Sneakers and Such over at their actual shop at second floor at the East Wing. However, if you buy something for more than 10,000 pesos, you get their hype like face shield. Looks really cool and you get it as a freebie. So it's more of a promo than it is like a massive price down. They do have a selection of Yeezy 350s. They have the Yeezy 700 Wave Runner. They have a couple of Jordans, but they're dominantly or their usual resale prices, anywhere from 18 to 22,000 for the Yeezys, and the Jordans play around probably around the same price range. But again, at least you get the free face shield if you're going to buy from them over the weekend. Now, if you move on over to the Sneak Peek, which is the stall just beside them, most of the sneakers that they have are 20% off. This includes the Infinity Run. They have a couple of Pumas. The only sneaker that got my attention in terms of pricing was the Boost You Wear. I think it's the level 2 version. And this one, they were selling it at 70% off. So you can actually get it for around 2,000 something pesos, down from the usual price of around 9,000 or 10,000 pesos. This sneaker has been notoriously put on outlets at this price point. If you want this shoe, but you missed your opportunity, you weren't able to get it from the outlets, have at it. And then the stall right next, I'm not sure if it's the Athlete's Foot or a Nike shop, but they do have a bunch of basketball sneakers as well as Ultra Boosts that you might want to consider. The Ultra Boosts are 50% off. So you can actually get them for around 4,000. One is dominantly blue and white. The other one has specks of red, gray, and white. So you have two Ultra Boosts to pick from at 50% off. I think it's amazing that Ultra Boost these days can be had for such a great price because they're really one of the most versatile sneakers to have and to own and to include in your rotation. So if you don't own an Ultra Boost yet, I really feel that this is one of the best times to buy one because most of the time, whatever the shop, Ultra Boosts are at a big price down, and this isn't an inclusion. So if you need an Ultra Boost, you're in Shangri-La over the weekend, check out the Sneaker Fest. It should be two stalls to the left facing Sneakers and Such. Again, ground floor of Shangri-La Mall. That same shop had a couple of Westbrooks selling for a little over 2,000 something pesos, as well as Dame basketball sneakers. And to be honest, that's actually it. So there's not a lot, not a big selection, not a great selection of sneakers for you to pick from the Sneaker Fest over at Shangri-La. So I think it's really more for the people who are usually at Shangri-La as opposed to actually making the trip to buy a sneaker for sale. Again, unless you need like an Ultra Boost or you want some of the freebies that are being offered. Now, I didn't end up buying anything, but I want to unbox something for today's episode. So this is actually a new sneaker that I bought from my favorite online reseller. I say favorite because he's the very first reseller I transacted with. His name is Shoe Freak PH. So if you guys want a reseller that you can trust, he's my guy. He's pulled through for me so many times and he's really pleasant to deal with. So this is actually another New Balance sneaker. If you guys don't know, I'm really into the 990 V5 series. I have a ton of colorways of the V5, from white to the Joker collab and several other models. Now this one I saw on his feed. And it's just your typical black Volt 990V5. And I just want to unbox and show it to you guys in today's ep before we wrap things up. So kita-kita nyo naman, oh wow, there's a lot of wrapper. So let's Mateo Guidicelli the heck out of this box. Yeah! There you go. And then you have your made in the USA box. This is size 13, as you can see over here. And if you pop the box open, excited, you know? This is a really, oh man, this is a really nice colorway. Take a look at that. Take a look at how sick that colorway is. So it's dominantly black. You have hits of Volt. You have Volt for the outsole, you have Volt for the inner lining, you have that Volt laces that will make it look even so much more cooler. And then of course you have the reflective and New Balance logo along the side, the V here at the back, and the Made in the USA tag, and the Made in the USA plate over here at the tongue tab. This is a ridiculously comfortable shoe. So if you don't own a 990 yet, I strongly recommend that you guys add it into your must-buy sneakers for the coming weeks ahead. So shout out again to Shoe Freak PH for the hookup. I also ended up buying this. This is a Wolf watch roll from Lucerne. It was on sale, so might as well, thought to myself, since I was looking for a watch roll. By the way, if you guys haven't seen my watch channel yet, I have a dedicated YouTube channel that's all about watches. I will link it down below. Make sure that you guys subscribe if you like that particular channel. So it's a very simple watch roll. It's for 3 watches, so it's like perfect if you want to travel and you want to bring like multiple pieces with you. So 1, 2, 3, you have a divider. Nice material leather that they use for this one. 20% off. Okay na. So yeah, that's actually it. That's what happened with my sneaker shopping trip to Shangri-La. Now I have a part 2 wherein I'll share with you what I saw over at Titan, but that will be a separate video. And with that said, I hope you guys are okay. I hope you guys are fine. I hope you're all safe. Thank you to everybody who contributed to our fundraising efforts. We will have a mystery box drop very soon, and part of the proceeds or part of the sales will be donated to help with the relief operations over at Cagayan. And then I just want to let you guys know that we will be also doing a sneaker auction very soon, and all the proceeds or big bulk of the proceeds from that particular effort will also be thrown towards our relief rehab fund. And with that said, peace, God bless, what's up, boom.